The another class is phenylalkylamine, and we have got two drugs over here. First one is mescaline and second one is ecstasy. About mescaline, it is mainly produced or synthesized from an Mexican peyote cactus, that is Lophophora williamsi. So it has got a very low potency. It is a low potency or less potent hallucinogen. It is mainly used by native during rituals, and apart from this, it does not have sympathomimetic effect, as we have seen in the previous class, that is indole mines. They had sympathomimetic action, but as such no sympathomimetic effect has been seen with mescaline. Another drug permitting in this class is ecstasy, and the chemical name is methylene dioxy methamphetamine. So it is a kind of amphetamine kind of drug. It is a synthetic compound, and it has got both stimulant as well as hallucinogenic property, that has been abused as a recreational and euphoriant drugs. Okay, so it is a drug of abuse. Usually college students are been using these drugs under the name ecstasy. And apart from this, there is a fear of neurotoxicity, because of which its popularity has been reduced. Okay, so these are the two drugs of phenylalkylamine. Next, coming to the another class of this hallucinogen, that is aryl cyclohexylamines. Okay, we have got a single drug in this class, that is phencyclidine. So this phencyclidine, basically it is an anticholinergic drug. Apart from this, it causes activation of sigma receptors in the brain, which leads to various actions such as disorientation, distortion of body images, hallucinogens, and it has got anesthetic like condition. So we have got an anesthetic agent like ketamine. If you remember, ketamine is a kind of dissociative anesthesia. So ketamine is closely related compound with lower hallucinogenic potential and is used in anesthesia. So this is about aryl cyclohexylamine. Next, coming to our last and the most important drug, that is cannabinoids. A single drug, that is tetrahydrocannabinol, is being used. It is mainly synthesized, or it is an active principle of the plant marijuana, that is cannabis indica. Okay, now it is very much important drug as its use has been spread worldwide, and we are using cannabinoid in various forms, such as you might be knowing about bhang. Bhang contains cannabinoid. Bhang. Apart from bhang, ganja. Even charas. So all these compounds contains your cannabinoids. Okay, so these are mainly released from or extracted from cannabis indica. Now regarding bhang, it is the dried leaves. Okay, bhangs are nothing but these are dried leaves. It is generally taken by oral route and it acts very slowly. Okay, regarding bhang. Next, regarding ganja, these are the dried female inflorescence. So these ganja is more potent and is smoked. Okay, these are basically smoked. These are as such taken orally, bhang, but these ganja, these are being smoked, and ganja are more potent than bhang, and effects of ganja is produced almost instantaneously. Okay, instant effect, and is more potent. Bhang, these are dried leaves and these are less potent. Okay, next, lastly, charas. It is a dried resinous extract from the flowering tops and leaves. Okay, these are dried resinous extract. Obtained from the flowering tops and leaves. potent, smoked with tobacco, and also called hashish. Okay, these are also called hashish. Okay, so as such, cannabis is a drug of abuse having lowest acute toxicity. Okay, these all are drug of abuse. I believe you have heard about all these names before also. So these are basically drug of abuse. Okay, so all these were the hallucinogens. So as such, the hallucinogens in general produce a dream-like state with disorientation, loss of contact with reality. Field of vision may appear to sway and objects distorted like image in a curved mirror. Faces may appear blurred. On closing the eyes, an unending series of colorful, very realistic and fantastic images appears to search. Time sense is altered, music appears tangible. Ability to concentrate is impaired. One can read but does not know what he is reading. However, ataxia is not prominent. Many feel relaxed and supremely happy, may laugh uncontrollably, or may become sad and even weep. With higher doses, panic reactions and sinking sensation are common. Okay, but the some degree of tolerance occurs, but reverse tolerance is not usual. Okay, so tolerance are being seen. This is a very important point. Tolerance are seen means when you are taking these hallucinogens, suppose suppose 5 mg was producing hallucinogens. After some times 5 mg will not produce any action. We require nearly 10 mg for producing the same hallucinogenic action. That means tolerance are being produced by these agents. Next, psychological dependence on hallucinogens may be mild to marked, but physical dependence does not occur. Okay, so there is only psychological dependence. This is also one more important thing. Psychological dependence. Okay, there is no physical dependence. So any person who are addicted to these hallucinogens can be, their addiction can be treated as such. Okay, but as such, all these hallucinogens, these are the drug of abuse. Even hallucinogens have been rarely used in psychiatry to facilitate conversation and for opening up the inner self in case of withdrawn patients. Okay, so these was regarding hallucinogens.